Hello family, welcome to my channel. Today the topic is related to self-development. This is a unique way of self-development which one can achieve very easily. You have seen that we have taken different mentors, we asked different mentors and people that what can be the self-development thing, and they provide the details that you can read such books or you can take seminars. You can take classes, you can just read books. What if a person don't have the resources to reach at that point? So here comes the point, a very simple and unique way. A simple process that everyone can apply anytime, any day, and a self is deducted from it. A person is deducted. Self will be remain. In your available time, you can have a conversation with your Almighty or, or your Creator. And the conversation can be really simple. Your day to day routine related to your work, your food, whatever you do in your daily life. The conversations can be that I like that food. Today I am really happy. These people, they disturbed me today. They were irritating me. And every subject, I want to achieve that goal today. And today I have learned this new thing. So it's a simple and unique conversation. You can ask your creator that I'm looking for these opportunities. Once you start creating this conversation, this simple conversations, you'll start getting a good thoughts. You start getting answers. It's a really simple process which everyone can apply. And you don't need any resources to reach that place or anything else. It's a simple process that everyone can just avail that. What will be the result of this? Once you start creating these conversations, you'll start getting self-confidence and you'll start achieving that goals which you have always dreamed of. There are some things which can only be observed, which cannot be mentioned in words. I myself have applied these things and have seen a tremendous results regarding this. So I hope you guys will apply these rules and share with others so that they can also apply these rules and get maximum benefit from it. Do give me your feedback and keep watching my videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.